how to connect Roblox to Discord account. So first what you want to do is just open up your Discord. So I have mine open up right here. And of course, make sure that your Roblox is signed into your web browser. Once that's all done, just go to Discord, go to user settings. So it's a gear icon here on the bottom left side of your screen or your Discord. Go to user settings, then go to connections right there. So it's right here, go to connections. Then here on connections, you will see this. So just simply tap on the view more button right there. So it's like a icon. And here you will see Roblox. Just find the Roblox icon on the list of icons right here. So simply click on Roblox. And it will prompt, this will pop up another browser or a new browser. Just simply click on continue. And here Discord is requesting access. So just select your account that you want. So I'm just going to select this. And just click on continue here at the bottom and you scroll down. As you can see, just simply need to click on confirm and give access button right here also. And it will redirect you back to Discord. So connected your Roblox account to Discord, which basically means that we did it successfully. And when we check out our Discord profile right here, as you can see, my Roblox is connected. That's how you basically connect your Roblox to your Discord account.